Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we are going to fight very amazing animals and toys. Let's find out. OMG, wow guys, look at this. What is that? Wow, very big head of dinosaur. Look at this. Wow, very big head. Look at his teeth, very dangerous. Wow guys, find out next toy. Wow, look at this. What is that? I think it is alligator face. Wow. Wow guys. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Very realistic. Look at his eyes. OMG. Guys. Wow. Let's find out next toy. Wow. What is that guys? I think this is shark face. Wow. Very dangerous shark. Wow. Look at his mouth. Closing and opening. Wow, very dangerous, and its eyes is also very realistic. Wow guys, let's put it there and find out other toys. Wow guys, look at this. What is that? Wow, a very beautiful dolphin fish. Wow, very beautiful. Let's find out next toy. OMG. Wow guys, wow, very amazing shark. Look at this, very amazing shark. Wow. Wow. Stingray fish. Wow. Very dangerous stingray fish. Wow. Wow. Wow guys, octopus. Very colorful, red and white and orange color octopus. Wow. Look at these guys. Very amazing, realistic looking lizard. Look at his face. Wow, very amazing lizard, green color lizard. Wow guys, so many animals. Wow, very amazing animals we find out. Wow, deer. Look at this deer. Wow guys, giraffe. Orange color with black dots. Wow guys, very beautiful giraffe animal. Ant, very good guys. Look at this size of ant. Wow guys, looks very realistic. Wow guys, very cute ant we found out today. Wow guys, very good looking amazing horse. Look at his colors, look at his tail. Wow guys, very amazing. Let's put him there and find out next toys. Wow guys, look at this. A lion. Very big size lion with amazing colors. Wow guys, very beautiful. Wow guys, wow, amazing, beautiful. Elephant. Look at his colors. Wow guys, look at his trunk. Very long trunk, very long teeth, white color teeth, and very beautiful tail, very big ears. Wow guys, rhino, a green color rhino, very hard body, very dangerous. Look at his horn, very sharp, very big horn, very big rhino. Let's put him there. Wow guys, look at this. Camel, very big size camel, very beautiful Arabian camel. Wow guys. Wow, panda, very beautiful, very cute panda with white and black color. Wow guys, very amazing, very beautiful, very excellent. Wow guys, wasp. Yellow color wasp. Wow, yellow and black with black stripes. Yellow color wasp looks very realistic, very beautiful, very amazing. OMG guys, oh my god, very good looking green color caterpillar. Wow, he is going to be a very beautiful butterfly one day. Look at his colors, look at his body, and very thick caterpillar. Wow guys, rhino. Very heavy, very beautiful, very dangerous rhino with big horn. Look at his horn. Very dangerous. Very sharp horn. Wow guys. A tortoise. Wow guys. No guys, sorry. It's a sea turtle, not tortoise. Sea turtle we find out today. Very beautiful, very amazing. Wow guys, a rhino. No guys, it's an hippo. We find out hippo. Very heavy hippo. Hippopotamus. Puts him there. Wow. Grizzly bear. Very heavy grizzly bear guys. Very heavy. Very dangerous. Always be careful from bears. Put it in there. Wow, today's last animal, zebra. Zebra is my very favorite animal. Wow guys, look at his colors. White color with black stripes. Wow guys. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Bye bye guys.